Testing large forms can be very time-consuming. That's why we've created DevTools for Formidable Forms. Here's how it works. Install the plugin the same as any other and activate DevTools, which will allow you to configure forms to use DevTools. To demonstrate the plugin, we'll open the 1300T Application for Australian Citizenship form with nearly 500 fields. So now I'll go back to the DevTools tab and check the DevTools box next to the 1300T, and then refresh the form to reveal the DevTools option box, which allows us to choose which values to select in drop-down, checkbox, or radio button fields. We've also added the ability to preview all saved styles. After selecting one, just use the up and down arrow keys to preview them all. Page breaks are also time-consuming when testing forms, so we've added the option to remove all page breaks from selected forms by checking the Disable Page Breaks box on the DevTools tab. When the page is refreshed, the page breaks will be gone, allowing the form to be filled with the single click of a Form Fill button. Let's change the drop-down, checkbox, and radio button fields to the second value and click the Fill Form button. Almost instantly, all text fields are populated with the word test followed by the field's label, and the second value of all drop-downs, checkboxes, and radio buttons are selected. Now if we change the radio button fields to the third value, those fields with 3 or more options will change to the third value, but those with only 2 options will populate the second value. The same functionality exists if we change the value to 4 or more. In just a few seconds, over 500 fields are populated and ready for submitting and testing. Now we can view the PDF with the merged data to make sure the correct fields are mapped and all the checkboxes and radio buttons are merging correctly. You can go back to the form, refresh to submit different values, or uncheck the DevTools boxes, refresh, and the form's back to normal.